Good morning. It's 10:45 a.m. Day 5. We had a little late early morning wake up and now just 1 minute away by the car, not even 1 minute, just 30 seconds is this Hotel Amisha, veg and non-veg. It serves lovely breakfast and lovely thali. Last time too we had come when we were full gang for the come. We had come here to have breakfast and now we'll have breakfast. This is our cover 7417. After this we'll go to Varca Beach, spend some time over there and then go to Margao Market. Chana masala has come and he is attacking it. Hungry bird. And here comes Madam's fried egg.
Ketchup, हाँ चलेगा और पाव.
Waiting for my breakfast now to come. Roast omelette. It is chicken curry with the omelette over down. So small piece of omelette and chicken paratha. Now we have to just wait for the tea coffee to come. So we have reached Varca. This is the main junction, and we stopped here to buy rosary sausages from this Domnics Pork Centre. Last time too, when I had come with Larry and Melvin, we had come here and I picked up sausages. And now we will be heading to the beach, Varca Beach. So finally we reached Varca Beach. It's 12:15 p.m. 15 minutes past noon, and to climb on top to get to the beach. Good. It is steps and not rocks. Oh, that's all the way down. This property belongs to some resort which is behind. I will let you know the name of the resort later on when we are exiting. Sand resort. It's a nice little seat out here. Are Club Mahindra's here only? So this is Club Mahindra Varca Beach, just at the entrance of the beach, and a nice little bridge to cross over. So I'm sure during monsoons this may be getting flooded with water. Oh, oops! Overhead. And this is Varca Beach, and over there is the lifeguard station. The lifeguard is sitting over there. It's empty. Not a soul, because this is right inside.
It's a private resort.
It's like a private beach. There are a few people over there. Yeah, at least this what we see over here, the entrance. This is a private entrance for only minor property. So that's the reason you cannot see anybody on this side of the beach. But I'm sure in the evening, from where the lifeguard is, you will get people. Yeah, and there's one more lifeguard at the far end. So that's why I think all the people come in the evening. Now it's very hot, sunny, so you won't get that much of crowd. Sun is directly on top of us. So after this, we'll be going back to Amisha Hotel where we had breakfast. We'll have our thali like Joe there and then retire in the room, cool down. And evening we are going to Kota Cuisino. That's our famous place. Whenever we come here, we always have to visit that restaurant. We got the lifeguard jet ski. Just a handful of people. Anybody going in the water? Just walking. Come on, let's just walk in the water. There is a water bottle there with water to wash your legs. That is really hot, yeah? No, you don't. I want. I want to. Oh my god. Come on. Let's go put it in the water. Don't want to get my pants wet. Oh, the sand is nice and soft. Whew. I did not very able to hear me because I clipped the mic to my cap. Plus, that's it. Because the water will splash and go on my pants. Aaron, you're not facing at me the video camera here. Cameraman is not good here. Camera boy. You tell him to click something or to shoot something, he'll be shooting somewhere else. So cameraman is just going ahead. Whoa! Where's my pants? Shit. Right, got the road to make this wet, so I have to wear this today, tomorrow. I mean, I got my long pants, so that I'm keeping for the airport, for the flight back. Let's see, tomorrow so we are going to that sunset beach because I want to take out a nice 1 hour video and make it a time-lapse video of the sun setting. Oh, looks like I'm catching my skirt and toppling. I'm coming full. And what's your mother doing there? Nice and clean water. Even the sand is nice and light brown color. And there the model is ready for doing her modeling. And it's getting hotter and hotter. And there you can see Apna IC model doing her shots. And the cameraman is there now, changed. And the lifeguard is gone on a break. Three doggies taking a nice nap under the cool breeze and under the jet ski. Nice shade they got. So we are come here to a nice little small river bridge, and we'll take the camera and just show you the place. And then you can even go on the other side, cross the road and go. So Aaron is on the other side now. Just take the video of that side. Look, look! Look and cross. So off we go now. Taking them to one museum. So it's 2 p.m. and we halted to have some sugarcane juice, but unfortunately the cane is not there, it's over, out of stock. So we are having limbo soda, three of us, and then from here we'll carry on to this place, Menezes Branco house, and we just topped up petrol too. Enough petrol for tomorrow. Aaron is busy. Gets time, it's on the mobile. Put it off.
I want to see that one trailer of a movie.
2:30 p.m. and we have reached Menezes and Branca house, and just over there is a lovely church. You cannot read the name of the church. Try to zoom in. Noessa and Belem Church, I think, or something it says. So this is the big place have to go inside that we have to go inside and see. It's a nice seating area made. And over here is a garden. These big old doors. Reminds me of Sozalobo house, these doors. Small little parking for a bike or car.